Another Igbo man become the first black man to be a president of University of New York. Hey, Chineke, ndị Igbo, what is happening? Igbo are really blessed in this country. Oh. That is why they know their potentials and they don't want Igbos to go. If Igbo go, problem go there. Forget all this Morilo, or this one, or this one, a million come where everybody declare for this country. Igbo man, because if una dey talk Nigeria become the first the 11th president of a New York University state, it think they pay me for body. Say Igbo man from Anambra become the first black man to be the president of New York University. I'm going to bring the video for you to watch. No be smart, you know. They say they don't release their prophecy. Say the Nigeria is going to accept the Biafrans to go on 2025. But he says some people where they drag the Biafra issue, they go still no go agree for the issue. I want you to watch the video. Yoruba nation women. They say one woman don't come outside the control bomb giving United States or United Kingdom, maybe UK, abi. Tell them say na them be the problem. If you see what this woman talk for ya, wish na Igbo woman talk more, e go become another wahala in own. Now let us go and look the videos. Don't forget say still there for blabadis as they watch. Make sure say they share the video immediately. Now I want you to watch this video and see the time they are inaugurating this first black Igbo man to be the president of this university in state in New York City. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
Highlighting a Nigerian professor who became the first black president of the State University of New York at Oswego in the United States. On September 27th, Dr. Peter Nwosu, who hails from Anambra State, Nigeria, was inaugurated as the 11th president of the State University of New York, an institution that was established in 1861. President Nwosu joined the institution from the City University of New York, where he was provost and senior vice president for academic affairs and student success. He is a graduate of the Harvard Institutes for Higher Education and earned his PhD in Communication Studies from Howard University in Washington, D.C. Dr. Nwosu is a passionate advocate for access to high-quality education and a strong believer in the power of collaboration and shared governance. He was joined by family and well-wishers as he became the first black president of the institution.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the State of New York, I hereby present you, friends of the university, the 11th president of the State University of New York at Oswego, Dr. Peter Nwosu.
Congratulations, huge congratulations, Nigeria.
We are heavily represented.
We are heavily represented.
Where are the tribalistic lazy group where they sit for TikTok? They talk about the Igbos that, Igbos this. I hope you've not seen this news to carry. However, we are making this country great, but we are making this country proud everywhere we are. The one they go see, now the one what we not do. But however, it don't. The message is very clear. Now Igbo man, a Biafran man from Anambra become the president of this university in New York City. If na Nigeria now, they go say na Igbo, they go use tribalism, carry one mumu wey no know anything, put for there. That's why Nigeria know they go front, they go back. Because they leave people wey know how to manage money, keep them by the side because of the tribalism. Carry people wey be olodo, put for inside that place, and now see where we are. I get another news wey I wan break for una today. So if you dey dream say Nigeria go good tomorrow, tomorrow, I get news for you. Check the next video wey I wan post and share this one. Okay, my people, let's go and hear the prophecy wey they talk. They say na Biafra go come 2025 as they take talk for this prophecy wey release for her. May you listen before we come back and jump to the announce of Gbenge news.
And in the same 2025, the Biafra will be given a document. A Biafra document will be seen publicly that is about to be published. But due to corruption and due to the same challenges inside the Biafra, they would not agree in signing that document. So I saw a document from Nigerian to the Biafra to go through it. But due to the corruption, that document was refused to sign. That's what the Lord is saying. So we should pray very well. The Biafra will go in peace, but as I said, not for now. Let's pray against it. So that's what the Lord is showing me in 2025. And
as he dropped this Ogbonge news, Konto say in 2025 that the Biafra will be given a document. Many people don't come outside. Konto say if the document is not favorable to Biafran people, the Biafra is not going to accept the document. That will be the issue, not Biafra fighting themselves. But if the document is not favorable but to the Biafran people, that means they are going to reject it. So what's the need of giving people a document where the document is not good for them? However, and so we see more, and I will say more carry and come show. Now beg me try to share the video as it hot before we come back and they continue. Now let us go and watch this Yoruba Nation women waiting talk for this video before we will come back and continue. Just stay tuned.
The north are not doing well financially.
Yeah.
The southern part was doing brilliant.
So it's the north.
The
Money. So the north, like
now
they're poor financially. Like the desert. Is it a desert?
There's a desert.
Yeah.
And they don't have much resources as we do, and
right.
They are not educated as we do.
Yeah.
So they now amalgamate the south and the north for.
So you much more educated than the north.
Definitely, we are.
Have you got a lot more people that graduated from Oxford University?
A lot, and we travel quite a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Both educational and socially we are exposed.
So why is it that the British not allowing you to separate then?
A lot of countries, to be honest, they are benefiting from Nigeria because there's a lot of mineral resources, petroleum, gold, bitumen, name it, is deposited in our land.
Wow.
That's why a lot of countries,
Yeah.
they are now pressing us down. They don't want the country to break, so that they will keep on taking our resources, and our people will be suffering.
Okay, all right.
All the young people now, they are all over the place. You understand? They've left home.
Yes.
Because the country now is not benefiting anybody. They are suffering.
Yeah.
There's no security.
Yeah.
So everybody wants their freedom.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't hear Ramo, I say that the North are not doing well financially. Say, in fact, the North na them be the olodo for this country where they draw everybody they go back. Do you agree in what this woman talk, or you not agree for what this woman talk? And here what I want to talk from my own. The North are doing well in all sectors, but the problem there is that this country was not designed for the West, for the East, and for the North. This country was designed for the betterment of the Western countries, the Britain, the Americans, and others, those who are benefiting from the resources of Nigeria. So this is here the problem. The North are hardworking people, the Igbos are hardworking people, the Yorubas are also hardworking people, but they are manipulating the Yorubas and the North, using them to accomplish their business, using them to run their business, which they call a country in Nigeria. This is the problem here, not the North. If you go to the north today, if you see what these people are doing in furnitures, you'll be marveled. If you go to north today, see what they are doing in industrial section, you'll be marveled. If you go to north today, see what they are doing in agricultural sectors, you will be shocked. You go to east, you see the same thing. The east own is in another level. You go to the west, the center. But what is our really problem? The problem is that this country was not designed for us, and we did not create the country. We are forced to be together. We are amalgamated to be together. So the only way out of this thing is two ways. One way is to come to the round table and agree. Everybody will respect each other and allow each other to have access of anything they want. Second, everybody go carry him bag, a big bag, go in papa house, go sit down. That is the only way out of it. But you see the way of let's keep asking one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. They then turn on and say na 10 years ahead before this wahala wey dey happen for Nigeria now go fit resolve. So tell me na 10 years una go fit wait. I will bring the news for you. May you see wetin dey go on for inside Nigeria. Maybe you no know. You think say maybe tomorrow dollar will come down, things will be better. You have to wait for good 10 years. I'm bringing the video up for you to see very soon. Just stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to do another video for you to show you what is going on right now as we dey talk. So my people, let me know what you think for the updates wey I don bring come give you, and make sure say you share and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.